What's going on, guys? It's Christian from Stock Hours, and today I want to talk about why it's so important to do a pre-market review. So some people in the market just wake up 5 minutes before the bell rings, opens their broker, sees the first setup they like, and get right into a trade. So that's not the best way to go about trading. You want to make sure you have a plan for all of your trades, understand the different market factors that might affect that trade, and the best way of doing that is by doing a pre-market review every single day. So in stock hours, we do pre-market reviews every day, 30 minutes before the market opens. That gives us enough time to read through the different news factors that are coming out throughout the day. So I'll just show you guys a quick little example of what I'm talking about. So here's the calendar that we post. So as you can see, we show the news for the day and for the week. So let's say it's Monday and we know that there's FOMC minutes on Wednesday. I'm going to go into the market knowing that that might be a factor that bigger market participants might be looking at. And also, we post the earnings calendar. So it's important to know what earnings there are for the week, because let's say you're trading a stock like Snowflake on a Monday. The contracts aren't going to move the same because there's earnings that week. So it's going to affect the way contracts move, and it's probably also going to affect the way the stock moves. So if you're just waking up 5 minutes before market opening your broker, finding one of the first setups that you like, getting right into a trade, not knowing why the stock is moving differently, then that's something that you want to figure out, why it is that the stock's moving differently. Maybe there's earnings, maybe there's news coming out, anything like that. Also, if there's news coming out throughout the day, that's something we want to know even before the market opens, before that news drops. Let's say we're in a trade at 9:58, and then at 10 o'clock there's a big news release and we get way past our stop loss, because obviously when news comes out, it's unmanageable to keep a tight stop loss if it goes against you. That's something we want to know going into the trade. We don't want to be unprepared and then see a huge red candle and then get stopped out way farther than we should have. So that's going to be something that's very important to do and implement into your pre-market review. Also, another thing that can help you and your analysis is understanding the economic news that's going on. So taking 5-10 minutes to just look through CNBC or whatever economic factors, just to see if maybe there was an upgrade or a downgrade on a stock, or if there was some news that came out on a stock that's going to affect the way that the market moves or the way that that stock moves. That's going to be something important in making your decision on how to It's also very important that you're doing a pre-market review, not just waking up a couple minutes before the bell rings. This way, when you make your plan, you know exactly what it is that you want to see. You're not just going to wake up scrambling at the bell, not knowing which contracts to pick because you weren't prepared. You're gonna have all your contracts ready. You're gonna have your stocks ready. You're gonna be able to truly grade your setups, whether this is an A setup or a C setup, based off of the different factors that might affect that. And you're gonna know exactly what it is you want to see before you take that trade. So certain trades are gonna require certain criteria in order for you to get in. Maybe one trade you want to see the positive market divergence. So maybe you want to see your stock is stronger than the rest of the market even before it gets to that level that you were looking to trade it at. And also, if you wake up earlier, chart your stocks earlier. And also, one more thing that's pretty important for me specifically is I have a morning routine. So I wake up, even before I do my pre-market review, I take a shower, I get a glass of water, and I get ready for the day. It kind of wakes me up a little bit. That's obviously something that's specific for me. You guys could find what's good for you, but that's something that I need to do. If I don't wake up, shower, drink my water, then I'm not going to really be awake. And so hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like down below and leave a comment. What are some things that you do in your pre-market review that help you be successful in trading? See you guys soon. Peace.